What's the deal, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing back with another video. In today's video, I want to show y'all how I was able to make almost $1,900 in a single month with Craigslist and CPA marketing, well, with Maxbounty, however you want to call it, and exactly how you can do the same. So as you can see right here, now even though this is February, this stuff still works to this day. This is exactly how I was able to basically get to the point where I'm at today, where I make a full-time passive income. It all started from posting ads on Craigslist and sending those leads to CPA offers, and just doing this for a few months consistently. Making over $1,000 a month with Craigslist. I was able to take that money and go move over to paid traffic. And as you know, if you was following my channel, you seen when I had my first, well, one of my biggest campaigns. I'm making my first 10K with CPA marketing, and the rest was history. I released courses, and it's kind of like this is like the start of everything. Just posting ads on Craigslist. So you can see the offers that I was running, my survey, inbox dollars, and only made a couple commissions with these other ones. But yeah, like the inbox dollars, I know that my survey offer is not active right now, but the inbox dollars offer is still active to this day. But if you didn't want to run those, well, if you didn't want to run this offer, you can just go to search campaigns over in Maxbounty. You can go to search options, go down to surveys. I always like to do mobile optimize per lead, countries, United States, because Craigslist is primarily United States, and you can go my approved offer, so you don't have to request to get approved for the offer. You don't have to, because a lot of the good offers you might have to submit an application, and all you want to see is basically how you plan on promoting it. But when you're telling them how you want to promote it, do not ever mention Craigslist, because Craigslist is like a black hat traffic source. They don't like the leads from Craigslist because of the quality in general. But at the end of the day, they like high converting. And, if you send in traffic from Craigslist and the leads are converting, they want you to send more of it. Just don't even. I'm gonna go over it later in this video on how to do it without getting caught by the networks. And this is basically how I did it to get to that $1,800 or $1,900 with CPA marketing. So, for example, you can run a life points offer. I think you got a request to get to run this offer. Inbox dollars. Let's see what the offers that I run. Vendale Research works. Survey Junkie works. Panda Research works. I think I already said Survey Junkie. Survey Voices I ain't really had too much of a good run with. But with just those offers right there, Survey Junkie, Panda Research, Vendale, Inbox Dollars, Life Points, I made a ton of money with. So yeah, that was about 5 or 6 different survey offers that you can run. Now I want to show y'all basically. And the good thing is you only need to do this. You only need a Maxbounty account. Number one. Number two, you need a Gmail account so you can reply to leads, and a Craigslist account just so you can post the ads. Like, it's literally that simple. Oh, and a landing page. So you need a Maxbounty account. You don't even need a Craigslist account. I take that back. So just a Maxbounty account, a Gmail account, and a landing page. So what I want to do is basically show y'all an example of somebody that I found just doing a little research inside of New York. I'm from Detroit, but I was posting in all the major cities, top states, just from Detroit. So just using my smartphone. So what I want to do is go down to labor gigs, because when you posting ads on Craigslist, the main 2 gigs you want to stick to when you promoting survey offers is either in the computer gigs or labor gigs. That's where I found the most success in. And as soon as I was doing some research, I found this ad right here, make a few hundred this holiday. Click on it. You can see currently hiring more workers this holiday season, making extra funds, immediate payment. Visit ofcsurveys.online. Boom. I went to go check out the landing page. I started to feel like, okay, this got to be somebody promoting a CPA offer. So what you're doing, just click on join now, see where it takes us, and boom, the same offer I was just telling y'all. Let's go back. Inbox dollars. This is exactly what this guy's promoting. Pays out $2.80 per lead. And all they got to do is sign up on the website. So I'm about to go to it in a second. But all you got to do is sign up on the website, confirm the email, and you get a $2.80 commission. Just that simple. Now imagine, let's go to the calculator. If you can get, let's see, 2.80, even just 30 people a day. 30 people a day. That's $84 per day with this. Literally $84 per day. Then you times that by 30 or 31, however many days in a month. Boom, that's $2,600. So if you could get 30 leads per day, just 30 people, mind you, you can get hundreds of replies on an ad like this. If you can get just 30 of these people to convert, you would be making an extra, what did it say? $2,600 a month. What could you do with that? And let's see, this is the funnel that he's using. You click on this, you can watch the video, inbox dollars. I'm pretty sure it's just showing them about the program, how to sign up and things like that. Click to continue. They send them to a questionnaire. This is what I use as well. It works pretty good. Just basically pre-qualifying people so they're not just, because if you send people straight from an ad to he's just this and then they go straight to the offer, they don't even know what they're doing. So it's important you want to throw in, a video tutorial how to sign up and letting them know throughout the questionnaire what they looking forward to. So are you at least 18 years old? Click yes. Do you understand you'll be sharing your opinion on products and services? Yes. How soon can you start? You will receive an email after you sign up. You must confirm that email to be selected. Do you agree? Submit. Boom. Now let's see, the page is loading. Boom. And it sends us directly to the inbox dollars offer. When they sign up and confirm that email, he gets $2.80. Now, me personally, I don't recommend using links inside a Craigslist post, but if it's working out for him, I mean, hey, go ahead and knock yourself out. What I do is just have people, I would use a similar ad copy to this and then just tell them like, hey, reply for more information. Then when they send me an email, this is an example of an actual lead replying to one of my ads I posted a few weeks ago. Hey, I'm interested in this gig. Please provide more information. What I do is say, hey, thanks for requesting more information. Please follow the steps below to enter or something like that. Then you can, with your landing page, you just copy and paste that right here. Boom, you're good to go. You can literally just copy and paste that to every single lead that responds to you, and they go to your website. Make sure your website tells them exactly what to do and how to do it, so they're not confused. And from there, it's just pretty much commission. So you setting up your ad, replying to your leads, you let your landing page and the offers do all the selling and telling, and you get your commissions. Now, this is the exact way that I was able to, like I say, go back to my reporting, going back into February. That's exactly what I did, step by step, literally, because nothing was really changed on how I do this stuff, because I'm about to get back into it myself, because it still works. Every time I post an ad, I'm still in profit. Like, this is y'all. I'm literally giving y'all exactly what I did to come up in the CPA affiliate marketing world. $18.94 in 1 month promoting survey offers on Craigslist. And if you go back, just for proof, like if you go back to my YouTube channel when I first started YouTube, you can see all the ads, how to make 1K per month on Craigslist with CPA marketing. That's when it first started happening for me. $869 in a single week with Maxbounty, I believe. I believe it was a week or 2 weeks earnings, whatever the case may be. It was pretty good. If you scroll up a little bit more, $84 in 2 hours. So mind you, when we looked at the calculator, remember I was saying you only need 30 leads. What was it? 30 leads. Let me start over. 30 leads at $2.80. That's $84. So if you go back to $84, boom. So I got those 30 leads in 2 hours just posting ads on Craigslist. That was 10 months ago. So I'm telling y'all, I'm not lying. You could go back to my channel when I was doing this stuff. Like, this is literally how I came up online. You get to see it from yourself. And a lot of y'all been following my channel since these days. So y'all know I'm not lying. And $300 in 24 hours. Like, this was literally like the best times ever, man. This is when I first started seeing success in life, not just online. Over $1,000 this week with Maxbounty. So instead of $1,000 in a month, I was able to do it in a single week. My biggest day with Maxbounty posting ads on Craigslist was $200. $100 in 1 hour, $240. More proof. I started running paid traffic down the line, started doing launch jacking, 86 with Maxbounty, 64. When did I start doing paid traffic? I want to say, yep, because this is when I released the beginner's course, version 2, around this time. think I started doing, when did I start doing paid traffic? It would have to be somewhere, yep, it's about 7 months ago I started doing paid traffic. This is around the time I ended up releasing the elite course. As you can see, 225 with paid traffic, 154, $850 in the last 24 hours. This was the golden time. So like I say, I got to see. I started out with free traffic just 10, 11 months ago and started doing paid traffic a few months after that and was able to do numbers like this, $850 in 24 hours, and you know the rest is history. Releasing courses, still doing CPA affiliate marketing, promoting softwares now. Like I'm just like, this is like really just it's amazing, man, to see what I was able to do from start to finish. You get to literally watch my come up, and it all started from just posting simple Craigslist ads. For those of you who don't know, if you go to Craigslist and you want to post an ad, it used to be free back in the day, about a good, saying back in the day like it was 10 years ago, but I think last year that's when they started charging people to post ads in the gig section. But what you would do, because most of the ads in popular cities cost about $10. Regular cities it might cost $5. I think I seen one at a few cities that was $3, but I like to stay out of those. Most of the ads I'm posting in is either the top cities or other major cities, and that's going to be around $5 to $10. So, oh, and then the best thing about this is it's still considered free traffic because I just wanted to show y'all real quick how much it costs. Go to gig offer. I want to hire someone. Labor gigs, you can see it's $10 right there. You just put in your title, zip code, description, your pay, and then the email address, and everything else is pretty simple. But as you can see, New York is $10, and it's New York is one of the most popular cities on Craigslist, so that's why it's $10. But reason why I say it's free traffic because when you're running these ads, more than likely it's gonna get flagged within days of posting it, and Craigslist is gonna flag all your ads at once and send you a refund for all the ads that you posted. So, I'm just wanted to show y'all one of my prepaid cards that I was using to post ads on Craigslist, just to show y'all the transactions and actually show y'all that I was actually getting the money back. So, at the end of the day, I made that $1,800, $1,800 or $1,900 literally for free. Like, I'm about to show y'all right now. I got my prepaid card right next to me. I don't care about showing the numbers because I'm about to use it on gas right now. So, security code 3692. Boom. I load these cards with $20, $25 every single time and post about two. I normally get away with about 2 to 4 ads I can get away with. So let me show y'all right here. It says $20, view transactions. You can see, scroll down to the bottom when I first brought the card on the 29th. Made my first Craigslist ad on the 1st. Made my second ad on the 3rd. No monthly fee. And made another Craigslist ad. So I spent the whole $20 within a few days. And as you can see, within 4 days, Craigslist gave me all my money back. So 5, and then a 10. Boom. $20. Now I'm about to use it towards gas. It's literally that simple. That's why I said this is still free traffic, and this is exactly what I cover inside my beginner's course. I feel like this is the course. If you're not yet ready for paid traffic, I definitely feel like this is the course you want to take advantage of to get at least about a $500 to $1,000 budget. Literally, this is exactly how I came up. Y'all get to see it live. Every video in this Craigslist training inside the beginner's course is vital to having success and seeing numbers like this. It's vital. So definitely go through the course, watch every single video because it's a reason for everything. I show y'all exactly how to post a Craigslist ad live. Actually me pulling out my prepaid card and setting it up. I got the Craigslist marketing version 1, which is still relevant. I'll show y'all the cards that I use, how to create unlimited Craigslist accounts, how to create unlimited Gmail accounts. You're going to need that. The best titles, descriptions to use, best source for addresses. You're going to need that when you're posting ads. The best times to post, how often to post, how to change your IP address on the phone. Now, that's one of the most important things there is to Craigslist. If you can't change your IP address, there's only so much you can do. VPN for your non-USA members, best funnels for Craigslist, how not to get your account banned, promoting offers on Craigslist because Craigslist is technically black hat. The best offers to promote for Craigslist ads, best cities to post in, what time to reply to your Craigslist leads. I even give you a reply script that you can use, best gigs to post in, how to spy, and you know, sending emails with no clicks, just common problems, and then the double bridge funnel, which is basically I just showed y'all right here. You send them to 2 or 3 different pages to hide it from the network. I go over all that stuff inside the beginner's course, and you can go pick the beginner's course up right now for a one-time fee of only $25. Like literally, if you just spending $25 to even make, it don't matter if it was extra $500 per month. Wouldn't you think it's worth it? A one-time purchase, and you get access to this information alone is worth the price of the course. So definitely take advantage of that, man, because I plan on upping the price of this to $50. I'm about to get back into it myself. You know, tons of testimonials. You can go check it out on the sales page by clicking the link in the description below. And you also get 100% free lifetime updates. So whatever updates I make to the course, you get 100% free. And you also get access to the private Facebook group where you can network with other members, share your results and things like that. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I have for this video. I just want to, it's kind of like a back down memory lane for me, man. Just getting me motivated like I used to be all over again to get to the point where I'm at today. And I still got a long way to go, man. I got so much stuff in store for the new year. By the time I'm watching this video, it is December, I want to say, yep, December 21st, 2019, going into 2020, man. So much stuff I got in the works, and I can't wait to take advantage of. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I release more videos like this. Yeah, man, take action.